Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Learn More. In this video we are going to talk about influences of Latin in English. Latin is a classical language belonging to the Italic branch of the Indo-European languages. Latin was originally spoken in the area around Rome, known as Latium. Latium became the dominant language in Italy and subsequently throughout the Western Roman Empire. Latin has contributed many words to the English language. In particular, Latin roots are used in English description of theology, the science, medicine, and law. Inscription for 5th century Roman consul Decius Marius Venantius Basilius in the Colosseum in Rome. The modern English alphabet is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters, each having an upper and lower case form. It originated around the 7th century from Latin script. The Latin alphabet used by the Romans during the classical Latin period from the 1st century BCE had only 23 different letters. The letters J, W, and U were added much later to write languages other than Latin. The percentage of modern English words are derived from each language group are Latin 29%, French 29%, Germanic 26%, other languages 16%. Even element symbols are from Latin. Let's see some few elements. Element antimony, its symbol Sb, its Latin name stibium. Element copper, its symbol Cu, its Latin name cuprum. Element gold, its symbol Au, its Latin name aurum. Element iron, its symbol Fe, its Latin name ferrum. Element lead, its symbol Pb, its Latin name plumbum. Element mercury, its symbol Hg, its Latin name hydrogerum. Element potassium, its symbol K, its Latin name Kalium. Element silver, its symbol Ag, its Latin name argentum. Element sodium, its symbol Na, its Latin name natrium. Element tin, its symbol Sn, its Latin name stannum. Element tungsten, its symbol W, its Latin name wolfram. Let's see some Latin abbreviations used in English. Abbreviation for AD. In Latin, Anno Domini. In English, in the year of the Lord. Abbreviation for BC, Ante Christum Natum. In English, before Christ. Abbreviation for AM. In Latin, Ante Meridium. In English, before midday. Abbreviation for PM. In Latin, post meridium. In English, after midday. Abbreviation for CF. In Latin, confer. In English, bring together. Abbreviation for ETC. In Latin, etc. In English, and the others. Abbreviation for EG. In Latin, exempli gratia. In English, for example. Abbreviation for IE. In Latin, id est. In English, that is. Abbreviation for IBID in Latin is ibidem, and in English in the same place. Abbreviation for ID in Latin idem, and in English the same. Abbreviation for NB in Latin nota, in English note well. Abbreviation for PS in Latin postscriptum, in English after what has been written. Abbreviation for RIP in Latin requiescat in peace, in English may he or she rest in peace. Abbreviation for RE in Latin in re, in English in the matter of. Abbreviation for SOS in Latin si opus sit, in English if there is need. Abbreviation for SIC in Latin sic erat scriptum, in English thus it was written. Abbreviation for VIZ in Latin vihde licat, in English precisely. Abbreviation for VS in Latin versus, in English against. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's learn more. For more abbreviations, please check the link in the description below.